Hello everyone! We'll start off by taking a small section of the hair from the front. Taking the small section, gather it together using a comb. After you are done with this, gather it at the eye level, twist it and then make a slit through it. After you have done this, after you have chopped off the hair, you may let it go and arrange it as you please. After this, once again, pull the comb through it and then make multiple vertical cuts into it. Do the same on the other side as well. Cut off the excess sides and then do the same on the other side. Once again, once you are done, comb the hair on the side and then make a diagonal layer out of it. After making the diagonal layer, cut the hair accordingly. This should give it a slightly V-shaped cut. Adjust the hair on either side. After making this particular cut, you may also make vertical cuts into it. Now, taking two wooden sticks, start off by using a lighter underneath it to get this blackish shape. Now, take these two chopsticks and then wrap it around the hair. Roll the hair up using these two sticks. Adjust it accordingly. Use the same two sticks for the side as well. Once again, this can be any wooden sticks or you may also use chopsticks. When you use these heated chopsticks, it helps the figure stay in place. Any hairstyle that you do with this heat, it helps it stay in place. We have used curves and curls with the wooden sticks this time. Arrange the hair in the front as you please. Finally, this is the look that we are left with. Once again, there are plenty of ways how to tie the hair up and cut the hair, especially the front area of it. You may tie a bun at the back to make the hair look all the more better. Next, take the front section of the hair and pull the comb through it. Now, after you are done with this, take a second comb, add it to the top. Once you have done this, twist the hair as such. Twist it over 2 or 3 times. Once you got done with this, take the pair of scissors and then cut off the bottom portion of it. Once you untwist it, you will realize that it has been cut in a diagonal shape. Taking a hair straightener on one of the sides, curve it ever so slightly. Make the sides frame the face as well. Once more, do this on either side. As for the back, it can be put into a bun or any other hairstyle. This hairstyle should be comfortable by you, however. Finally, for our next hair craft, what we will be doing is taking the hair from the front, pull it to the front. After this, you pull a comb through it and then cut off the excess amounts of hair that are present. After this, begin by making vertical cuts using the same pair of scissors. After you are done combing it and setting it in place and using the hair straightener on it, this is what it should begin to look like. Next, take a section of the hair from the front, bring it down in the front as well. Pull the comb through it and then using a pair of the scissors at eye level, make a cut right through it. Now, taking the same hairbrush, pull the hair comb through it. Make vertical cuts into the hair. As for the bottom, make 2 cuts right through the hair. Once again, make them V-shaped cuts. Make the cuts diagonal as such. Once the look is over, it should look like an inverted V once again. Now, after making your diagonal cut, once more, measure and make sure that it is the same with the other side as well. Now, taking the center portion of the hair, take the hair straightener and then twist the hair around it. This should add a little bit of puff to the hair as such. For our next hairdo, we'll start off by gathering the hair in the front. Now, in order to do this, you need to gather the hair together and then twist it. Twisting it, make a cut right through the eyes. That is where the ideas are. Next, take a pair of scissors along with the hair comb and then pull the hair through. Cut off the excess. Now join them all together as such. After you fold over the hair, once again use the hair dryer so that the hair stays in place this time. Now, once you are done with this, the hair should be slightly more puffed out than it was before as such. Next, take a portion of the hair and then pull it out through the front. Let the hair down as such. Taking the central portion of this hair, add a comb through the hair and then cut it up accordingly as such. Taking the sides that had been left out, take the center portion of this cut as well as the side, join them and then cut off the excess. Once again, cut it up diagonally and then you should be left with an even surface as such. Constantly trim the sides so that it maintains this particular shape, as it is difficult to grow hair with longer hair. Once again, once you are done with this, make the smallest little adjustments that needs to be made towards the end as such. Thank you for watching.